Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity by Peter Attia MD is a book that explores the science behind extending human lifespan, and how we can live longer, healthier lives. In Chapter 1, Attia provides an introduction to the concept of longevity, discussing why it matters and what it means for our lives. Attia begins the chapter by outlining some of the statistics on aging and mortality. He notes that while the average lifespan has increased over the past century, we still see a decline in health and function in later years, leading to an increase in chronic diseases and disabilities. Attia argues that extending lifespan is not just about living longer, but about maintaining good health and function throughout our lives. Attia then goes on to discuss some of the factors that contribute to aging and mortality. He notes that aging is a complex process that is influenced by a variety of genetic and environmental factors, including diet, exercise, stress, and exposure to toxins. Attia argues that while we may not be able to control all of these factors, we can take steps to minimize their impact on our health and longevity. One of the key ways to do this, according to Attia, is through lifestyle interventions. Attia discusses the importance of healthy eating, exercise, and sleep in promoting longevity, as well as the benefits of stress reduction techniques like meditation and mindfulness. He notes that while these interventions may not guarantee a longer life, they can improve our quality of life and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Attia also highlights some of the cutting-edge research on longevity, including the use of genetic testing and personalized medicine to identify individuals who may be at higher risk for certain diseases. He notes that while these approaches are still in the early stages of development, they hold promise for helping us to better understand and manage our health over the long term. Finally, Attia concludes the chapter by discussing the importance of taking a holistic approach to longevity. He notes that while diet and exercise are important, we also need to pay attention to our mental and emotional well-being, as well as our social connections and sense of purpose. Attia argues that by focusing on all of these factors, we can optimize our health and longevity over the course of our lives. Overall, Chapter 1 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity provides a comprehensive overview of the concept of longevity and the factors that contribute to it. Attia's emphasis on lifestyle interventions and a holistic approach to health and wellness provides readers with a roadmap for improving their own health and longevity, and sets the stage for the rest of the book. Chapter 2 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity by Peter Attia MD delves into the science behind aging and the cellular processes that contribute to it. Attia explains that aging is a gradual decline in the function of our cells and tissues, and that this decline is influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, environmental exposures, and lifestyle choices. Attia begins the chapter by discussing the role of telomeres, which are protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes that help to prevent damage and degradation. As we age, our telomeres naturally shorten, which can lead to cell damage and dysfunction. Attia notes that while we cannot prevent telomere shortening entirely, we can take steps to slow it down through healthy lifestyle choices, including exercise, stress reduction, and a healthy diet. Attia then goes on to discuss some of the other cellular processes that contribute to aging, including cellular senescence and inflammation. Cellular senescence refers to the process by which cells become dysfunctional and stop dividing, leading to tissue damage and aging. Inflammation, meanwhile, is a natural response to injury or infection, but can become chronic and contribute to tissue damage over time. Attia notes that while these cellular processes are complex, there are several interventions that can help to slow or reverse them. These interventions include calorie restriction, which has been shown to increase lifespan and improve cellular function in animals, as well as supplements like NAD+ and resveratrol, which have been shown to improve cellular metabolism and reduce inflammation. Attia also discusses the role of mitochondria in aging, noting that these organelles are responsible for generating energy within our cells. As we age, mitochondrial function declines, leading to a decrease in energy production and an increase in oxidative stress. Attia notes that there are several lifestyle interventions that can help to support mitochondrial function, including exercise, a healthy diet, and supplements like coenzyme Q10 and alpha-lipoic acid. Finally, Attia discusses the role of epigenetics in aging, noting that these are changes in gene expression that can occur as a result of environmental exposures or lifestyle choices. Attia notes that while we cannot change our genetic makeup, we can influence the expression of our genes through healthy lifestyle choices, including diet, exercise, and stress reduction. Overall, Chapter 2 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity provides a detailed overview of the cellular processes that contribute to aging and the interventions that can help to slow or reverse them. Attia's emphasis on healthy lifestyle choices and supplements provides readers with practical strategies for improving their own cellular health and promoting longevity over the long term. Chapter 3 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity by Peter Attia MD focuses on the role of nutrition in promoting longevity and preventing chronic diseases. Attia notes that while there is a great deal of conflicting information about what constitutes a healthy diet, there are several key principles that can help to guide our food choices. Attia begins the chapter by discussing the importance of macronutrients, including carbohydrates, fats, and protein. He notes that while all three of these macronutrients are important, the quality of the sources we choose is critical for optimal health. Attia emphasizes the importance of choosing whole, unprocessed foods and avoiding refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats. Attia also discusses the importance of micronutrients, including vitamins and minerals, in promoting health and longevity. He notes that while many people get enough of these nutrients through their diet, others may benefit from supplementation to address specific deficiencies or improve overall health. One area of particular interest to Attia is the role of dietary fat in promoting health and longevity. He notes that while many people have been led to believe that a low-fat diet is the healthiest option, the evidence suggests that healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, can be beneficial for our health. Attia recommends incorporating sources of healthy fats, such as fatty fish, nuts, and olive oil, into our diets to support brain function and reduce inflammation. Attia also discusses the potential health benefits of intermittent fasting, a dietary approach in which individuals restrict their food intake for periods of time. He notes that while the evidence on intermittent fasting is still emerging, it may be beneficial for promoting cellular health, reducing inflammation, and improving insulin sensitivity. Finally, Attia emphasizes the importance of personalized nutrition, noting that different individuals may have different nutrient needs based on their genetics, lifestyle, and health status. He notes that tools like genetic testing and continuous glucose monitoring can help individuals to identify their specific nutrient needs and make more informed food choices. Overall, Chapter 3 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity provides a comprehensive overview of the role of nutrition in promoting health and longevity. Attia's emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods, healthy fats, and personalized nutrition provides readers with practical strategies for improving their diet and optimizing their health over the long term. Chapter 4 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity by Peter Attia MD explores the importance of physical activity in promoting longevity and preventing chronic diseases. Attia notes that while many people understand the importance of exercise for their health, there is still a great deal of confusion and misinformation about what types of exercise are most beneficial and how much we need to do. Attia begins the chapter by discussing the many health benefits of exercise, including improved cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and improved cognitive function. He notes that exercise can also help to prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease, and may even slow the aging process at the cellular level. Attia then goes on to discuss the different types of exercise, including aerobic exercise, resistance training, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. He notes that while all three types of exercise are important, they each provide different benefits and may be more or less appropriate for different individuals depending on their goals and health status. Attia also emphasizes the importance of incorporating movement into our daily lives, beyond just structured exercise. He notes that simple activities such as walking, gardening, and playing with children can all contribute to our overall physical activity levels and promote health. One area of particular interest to Attia is the role of exercise in promoting brain health and cognitive function. He notes that exercise has been shown to increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that is critical for the growth and maintenance of neurons. Attia also notes that exercise may help to prevent cognitive decline and dementia, and may even improve memory and learning in people of all ages. Finally, Attia discusses the importance of individualizing exercise programs to meet the specific needs and goals of each individual. He notes that factors such as age, health status, and physical limitations may all need to be taken into account when designing an exercise program. Overall, Chapter 4 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity provides a thorough overview of the importance of physical activity in promoting health and longevity. Attia's emphasis on incorporating movement into our daily lives, individualizing exercise programs, and promoting brain health provides readers with practical strategies for improving their overall physical activity levels and optimizing their health over the long term. Chapter 5 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity by Peter Attia MD focuses on the importance of sleep in promoting health and longevity. Attia notes that while many people understand that sleep is important for their overall well-being, few people truly understand the many ways in which sleep impacts our health and the strategies we can use to improve our sleep quality. Attia begins the chapter by discussing the many health benefits of sleep, including improved cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and improved cognitive function. He notes that sleep is critical for our physical and mental health, and that chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to a wide range of chronic diseases and health problems. Attia then goes on to discuss the different stages of sleep, including deep sleep, REM sleep, and light sleep, and explains how each stage of sleep contributes to our overall health and well-being. He notes that deep sleep is particularly important for physical restoration and repair, while REM sleep is critical for cognitive and emotional processing. Attia also discusses the many factors that can impact our sleep quality, including diet, exercise, and environmental factors such as light exposure and noise. He notes that strategies such as avoiding caffeine and alcohol, creating a relaxing sleep environment, and establishing a regular sleep routine can all help to improve our sleep quality. One area of particular interest to Attia is the impact of technology on our sleep quality. He notes that the blue light emitted by electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets can disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle and interfere with our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Attia recommends strategies such as limiting screen time before bed, using blue light blocking glasses, and creating a technology-free bedroom to promote better sleep. Finally, Attia discusses the importance of individualizing sleep strategies based on each person's unique needs and preferences. He notes that factors such as age, lifestyle, and health status may all impact our sleep quality and that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to improving our sleep. Overall, Chapter 5 of Outlive, The Science and Art of Longevity provides a thorough overview of the importance of sleep in promoting health and longevity. Attia's emphasis on understanding the different stages of sleep, identifying factors that impact our sleep quality, and individualizing sleep strategies provides readers with practical strategies for improving their sleep and optimizing their health over